This is a 1987 Ferrari Testarossa, once a symbol of 80s supercar dominance, now abandoned and covered in dust, its bright yellow paint faded, its powerful V12 engine silent, left to decay over time, but beneath the neglect, the spirit of a legend still remains, waiting to be restored. The process begins with a slow inspection, every surface revealing years of wear, dirt, and rust covering its iconic design. As the first streams of water wash across the body, layers of grime begin to disappear. Foam spreads gently as the surface is carefully cleaned, restoring hints of its original shine. Inside the cabin, worn leather seats are removed, panels loosened with soft clicks, exposing the raw interior structure. Moving deeper into the restoration, rusted components are treated and sanded, each motion controlled and precise, bringing metal back to life. The heart of the machine, its V12 engine, is carefully dismantled, each part cleaned, polished, and restored, then reassembled with exact precision, every bolt tightened, every component aligned. As the engine slowly returns to its former glory, the exterior undergoes transformation.